times within the last 5 minutes. Pretty sure I said it 3 times. Three fucking times. Oh, man. So I try to work till like, I don't know, 10. If I'm really tired, then maybe 7. We'll see, huh? Man. We'll fucking see. Ooh, UPS PVD? It's a UPS
In
helper.
1,000 feet, your destination will be on the
Not
left.
PVD, but she's a seasonal helper. Alright. Ooh. I don't know if I can make it here. 51, 55. How would that work? I gotta go back there. Ooh, I'm gonna reject that one. Got to log out real quick. Yeah, don't be too greedy, guys.
Your
Don't be too
destination
greedy.
is on the left.
Don't be too greedy. Alright. Walmart Spark return order. That means you go to the customer first and then you take it back to Walmart. I don't know, it's pretty self-explanatory, right? Pretty self-explanatory. 4760. Pretty self-explanatory. 4760. Feels like summer all over again, huh? Oh, where's the package, bro? Oh, that's go to the back door. What's going on? I don't see no package. Hello. Do you have the barcode for me to scan?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Shadow.
I know. A long time to pick.
Where's that shadow coming from?
Is it comfortable?
Is that from the...
There.
This, right?
Yes.
Thank
Yes,
you so
thank
much.
you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna dash. Woo! That's a 10-yard dash, huh? She got a Christmas sweater, huh? Super nice lady. Super duper nice. Alright. So you scan it, either they print out the barcode or they can have it on their phone. If they're not home, then it should be a barcode. If they're home, they give you the barcode on the phone for you to scan, and then this is what she got, and we're gonna take this back to Walmart. Confirm. Got it. So this is what she got. Confirm. Complete. And take it back to Walmart. Start. It's not rocket science. It's only gig work. It's not rocket science, guys. And that's what you call it, Walmart return